Next you will go through the design and testbench code of a simple ALU. An ALU or arithmetic and logic unit, will perform arithmetic and logic operation in its input. Assume the operation that you want to perform are, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, logical and, logical OR, bitwise and bitwise OR. Also, the opcodes assigned to these operation are from 0 to 8 in order. Here is the design module. Ports are, input data A and B, input opcode, and output out. Assume that the ALU doesn't need to care about the overflow and special conditional. The functional part of the program is written in an always at start block. In the case statement, based on the value of the opcode, one of these branches will be executed, which will do the arithmetic or logical operation according to the opcode. If the opcode value is not between 0 to 7, an error will be displayed by the default block. In the testbench module, internal signals are declared first, and the ALU module is instantiated with name ALU1. The ports A, B, opcode and out, are connected to local signal D1, D2, opcode and X. In an initial block, after the code to dump signals to waveform database, input data D1 and D2 are assigned to fixed values. After every 10-time unit, which is implemented by a #10, the opcode is changed to 0 to 7. Finally, before ending the simulation, values of D1, D2 and opcode are changed. Let's run the simulation and see results. It was run from 0 to 90 nanoseconds. When the opcode is 0, output X is the sum of 5 and 2. When it is 1, it's the difference and so on. Before ending simulation, data, opcode and output are getting changed as per the TB.